So I had an A peel, which is a chemical peel, and then I used the post-treatment kit with that and had some super positive results after that. I still peeled like I normally would without using the post-treatment kit, but it seemed to expedite the peeling. There wasn't the flakiness that I would normally have for days and days on end afterwards. So I think the serum and the cream combination was just, it was so soothing. It's a great product. I'm super happy that I found it. It's helped with my fine lines and wrinkles. Using these products is really nourishing my skin. I had put it in the refrigerator, and so there was that little bit of a coolness, and then the minty smell. It was just, oh, it was delicious.